Hi guys, it's Hafsa Rose, and today I have a fucking bang bitch. So today for you guys, I am partnering with this company called LONGQI HAIR. But yeah, they sent me a 14-inch wig and I got to it. You see this? I'm really feeling myself. Like, I just feel like a baddie. Like, I feel like I should be working in a strip club. All my hairstyles make me feel like I should be working in a strip club. So yeah guys, if y'all trying to be slayed like this, continue watching. The hair is super soft. Like, it's giving Edna. Period. This hair is super soft. I can give you guys on a quick little review because I only have this hair in for like about an hour. So you guys will see me with this hair in about a month. So if you guys want to see how to get this style, keep watching this video. I'm the type of person, like, as I'm going through, I'm always gonna fix something if I see it and I don't like it. So yeah, I'm just perfecting my bangs just a little bit more, and then soon we're gonna get into styling. Oh, and I tweezed my bang a little bit because I feel like it was too thick. I wanted a more feathery bang look. Okay, now for styling. When I realized that half up, half down was not working because I was trying for like an hour, I almost had a breakdown. I was like, you know what, Hafsa, we're gonna make this work. So I put that part down the middle, hot combed it, got it real nice and flat, and then I straightened it. And I liked it like that, but then I was like, I feel like this would just be a whole lot better if I just gave it a little cut. So then I did that. So this is the first part, styling part 1, I guess, and then, you know, it's gonna be styling part 2 with the cut in it. My lashes are so long that my hair was like literally getting stuck, and I'm like, I cannot blink, so I had to put the bangs behind the lashes, period. So you can either leave the hair like this, or, you know, you can continue and follow me and cut it. So when I cut like hair, I just look like, okay, how long do I want it? I cut one piece, and then I make sure like I cut that piece perfect as fuck, because then it's like a trail because I cannot see behind my head. So my sister cuts the rest of the hair for me, and you know, she did her thing. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. And then I'm just gonna bump those ends. And yeah, this is the end of the voiceover. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I think I should subscribe because like I'm the realest bitch on YouTube, period.